Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jacob here with Media Simplified. Before I start the video, if you like our content, definitely like and subscribe to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about building a sales process in 3 easy steps. So the first thing you want to do when you build a sales process is have consistently high influxes of leads. Meaning that your sales process, and I'm going to talk about ratios here in a second of how we can dial all the stuff in, is really dependent on the amount of opportunities you have. You can't really massively grow without a massive amount of opportunities. So step 1 is get leads in the door, whether that means door knocking, setting up an automated lead flow system. You're going to want lots of opportunities. So step 1 is get a large influx of leads, however you set that up. Step 2 is build a standardized sales process to capitalize on those leads. What are those leads receiving from you if they're scheduling with you? What are you saying to those leads once you get them on sales calls? Do you have scripts? This is really where you iron out the details of what your standardized process needs to be. So when your leads come through, you have to have a rinse and repeat solution to converting that lead from a prospect into a sale. So basically, we always recommend scripts because they're awesome. You can keep the sales process standardized. So you're definitely going to want to standardize that sales process. The third step is to get your numbers down. So basically, if you have 100 leads coming in and you're able to sell 25% of those leads, you know that for every 100 leads that you get, you're going to be able to get 25 closes. And your ratios and your numbers pertaining to your sales process are of the utmost importance because knowing those numbers is what's going to allow you to scale your business long term. If you're trying to get to 100 closes a week, it's not necessarily that you need to get to 100 closes a week, it's that you need to get 400 leads in the door because you know you have a 25% close ratio. So building a sales process is your first step to becoming a 7-figure and above contracting business. A lot of guys are great salespeople, but they really just don't have the sales process ironed out. So that's something we would love to help with. If you guys have questions, shoot them down in the comments. Or if you need some particular information, definitely don't hesitate to schedule a consultation with us. For more great info, definitely check out the rest of our page. And once again, I'm Jacob with Media Simplified. Have a wonderful day.